everyone. Welcome back to the Money Talks College Walks podcast, where we can help turn financial stress into academic success. My name is JJ, and I am the host of this podcast series and a specialist in 529 college savings plans. This podcast series will walk you through various topics on saving for college and college admissions in general. We created this podcast to educate families about saving for higher education. While there are other types of savings options, today we're going to focus our discussion on one of the more tax-advantaged ways families can prepare for the cost of higher education, the 529 College Savings Plan. Additionally, we will discuss common misconceptions about 529s. So let's start at the beginning. What exactly are 529 college savings plans? Think of them as retirement accounts, but for higher education. With standard savings accounts, funds most of the time do not have the potential to earn returns. However, just like retirement accounts, the money placed in a 529 can actively work for you, as funds are invested into portfolios made up of a mixture of stocks, bonds, and cash. Some 529s even offer guaranteed rate options made up of annuities and money market accounts, just like with Roth IRA retirement accounts. Any earnings are tax deferred, meaning the gains on your college savings will not be subject to taxes as long as the money is used for qualified education expenses like tuition, room and board, books, supplies, computers, and tablets. More on that in later podcasts. Remember the old adage, every little bit helps? Well, it really rings true with 529 plans. Are you intrigued by the potential for tax-deferred growth 529 plans offer? Well, that is just one of 6 key 529 plan advantages. What are the rest? Let's start with the additional tax advantages of 529 plans. Some 529 plans offer a state tax deduction. 529s also offer tax-free growth on earnings. And like we mentioned before, tax-free withdrawals on any earnings if used for qualified educational expenses. Limitations apply. State tax benefits vary by state, so please visit your home state's 529 plan website for more information. Accessibility is another major benefit of investing in 529 plans. Anyone who is a U.S. citizen or resident alien and at least 18 years old who would like to contribute on behalf of a beneficiary, including yourself, is eligible to create or add funds to a 529 account. There are no income requirements or limits, and you can open any state's 529 plan regardless of where you or your future student lives. Make sure to check with your home state to learn if it offers tax or other benefits such as financial aid, scholarship funds, or protection from creditors for investing in its own 529 plan. 529 plans are also incredibly flexible. Funds can be used nationwide at universities, colleges, technical or trade schools, grad schools, professional schools, and even at many schools abroad. You don't have to use 529 funds in the state where you live or even in the state where the 529 plan is set up. This means that if you reside in Wisconsin and open an account for your loved one, they can use the funds in Michigan or even South Africa if they want to. If you would like to find out more about what institutions are eligible, check out the U.S. Department of Education school code lookup online. Saving with 529s can be a low-cost, tax-advantaged way to pay for college. Direct sold 529 plans are available to families without sales charges and offer access to professionally managed investment portfolios. Lastly, a major advantage of 529 plans is the ease of use. If you have $25 in 15 minutes, you can start saving with a 529 plan. You can set up automatic contributions from a bank account or your paycheck. You can also deposit funds whenever you like. You can even receive online account access to monitor your account performance. Now that is flexibility. Saving for college can seem daunting, but as you just heard, 529 plans offer 6 key advantages: the potential for compound earnings, a state tax deduction, tax-deferred growth, tax-free withdrawals for qualified expenses, accessibility, flexibility, and ease of use, making them, at least in my opinion, a smart savings choice. Thanks for listening. Check out our other episodes for more information on saving for college. Have a great day. To learn more about Wisconsin's Edvest 529 College Savings Plan, its investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses, please see the plan description at edvest.com. Read it carefully. Investments in the plan are neither insured nor guaranteed, and there is a risk of investment loss. If the funds aren't used for qualified higher education expenses, a federal 10% penalty tax on earnings, as well as federal and state income taxes, may apply. Check with your home state to learn if it offers tax or other benefits such as financial aid, scholarship funds, or protection from creditors for investing in its own 529 plan. TIAA CREF Individual and Institutional Services, LLC, member FINRA, distributor and underwriter for the Edvest 529 College Savings Plan.